Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we're having a Christmas unboxing. It's the PlayStation 5 Pro and the PlayStation vertical stand. Bought it used, so it's not completely like unboxing, but I thought just why not include it in this. So let's start with the small one first. Put the real deal to the side. Let's start unboxing this one. Okay, so packaging is always, PlayStation packaging is just obnoxiously good. Yeah, nothing else in the box. And box itself is actually quite decent. Of course, it has old style, so let's move that to the side. Let's see what actual there. Oh, it's like this. As you can see, what do we have here? We have some booklets, the vertical stand, and look how many of the information with a lot of languages. That's I think too much for the thing. Yeah. And we have our screw. I guess that goes into the PlayStation. No? Interesting screw. And nonetheless, we got the screw and we got the stand itself. As you can see, maybe a little bit farther. It's going to be seen better. It's really cold. It's made from steel. That's really quality stand. I know that it sounds and looks bad, but we'll see. We'll put it on the PlayStation. Okay, let's put it to the side. The box, nothing else in the box, so it's just simple little thing. Let's put that there. Let's leave the stand right here on the side. So now oh boy, look, PlayStation 5 Pro. I actually thought I'm not gonna buy it, but then something changed inside of me and I thought this Path of Exile 2 comes December 6th and I was just like, I need to get this and put it to my 4K TV and just, I don't know. Yeah, just feel the Christmas spirit, and like, just enjoy yourself, be together with the family. I mean, feel good, just do good things, and so on. Yeah, I think that my nail technique is better than my brain this time. Anyways, let's together unbox it. Oh, it's the same deal. Yeah, I need to, I guess, turn it around and hold it like that. Okay, one hand should. Nah, probably I'm gonna need. Yeah, we can do it like this. Is it seen in the video? Oh yeah, it's quite actually good seen in the video. Ooh, we got a logo. Got a logo, man. Nothing else in the box. You can see it. Oh, you can see even through that. Let's put it in the center, see where it focuses. No, yeah, I see it. Okay. Beautiful box. Let's put it to the side currently, because I think we will need other things. Yeah, how to open it. Let's open this up here. Okay. So, as you see, yeah, camera right here. As you can see, we get the power plug. Yeah. Can I catch it? And then we have, whoa, some A. Some letter A thing. I don't know what that is. Interesting. Okay, we'll put that to the side. Now, oh, we have our HDMI 2.1 cable. And we have our USB-C to USB-C cable. Since it changed on the front, it has one USB-A and one USB-C. So I think that's how we're gonna use it. Oh, and here we have our PlayStation 5 controller. Well, let me see what we have here. Beautiful, look at this beautiful controller. 4-year-old controller and just looks spectacular. It still feels good, you know. Still, if you know, increase a lot. Maybe let's try to move it to 77 millimeters and move it closer. Maybe there would be some kind of a possibility to, I don't remember what's the, I think it should be like 50 centimeters or something. Or maybe even further. Here is the XOXOXO mark everywhere. But anyways, I think we need just way better lens to achieve that. But anyways, this is the controller. That's what we're going to be using. Put it to the side. Now, what it says. It says, as you see here, that... now we need to do it like this. What do we have inside? We have a lot of books, which I think was unfortunately out of their place. So it is safety guide. Then it is quick start, guys. As we can see, quick start. I don't know what you need to read about it, but oh, that's where you can use those A's. Huh? If you want to set PS5 control to the vertical position, you'll need to use the vertical stand. Oh yeah, so this is just for the standing. But since we're gonna use the vertical stand, so we're gonna use that. Okay. Then let's now see anything else, and then we push the console itself out. Lovely. Okay. Nothing in a box. I don't. Yeah, it catches at least a glimpse of that. Nothingness. Yeah. Let me put that to the side. That should be now better. With the normal lighting. But yeah, you know how friends. Yeah. One side out. One side out. Put it to the side. Another side out. Let's put that to the side. And now the main course of the meal. Voila! We have ourselves a brand freaking new PlayStation 5 Pro. That's actually epic. And you know what? It is much smaller than the original PlayStation 5 that I used to get. Because I sold mine before unboxing. I sold my PlayStation 5 disc version for $350. I thought, why not? It's a good gift, you know. So this is actually costed me to upgrade around like 500. Actually, it is 500 because I paid 844 euros 90 cents for that. and like 20 euros for the stand because I bought it used. Anyway, so here it is. Here it is. Here it is, our logo. Yeah, we have USB-A, LAN, and HDMI, power cable, Kensington locked if you want to lock it. I don't know why, but you could. But and at the front there's two USB-C. I thought it's going to be USB-A here, but no, USB-C. So it's going to be very easy to charge the controllers to the front. Ah, yeah, I remember where I was using these. I was using these with the headphones, with a 3D Pulse. I used to have these 3D Pulse headphones, and in order to play them, I need to have it USB 6. So I used to use it this USB-A. There used to be USB-A port, so I used to do it there. Yeah, okay. So now is the time. I'm gonna pull it on, turn it on, and oh, you know, I forgot one thing. Let's use this time to, now I think it's going to be like this, and we need to unscrew that part, and that's how we're gonna, or isn't it? Okay, let's try it out. Oh yeah, it is like that. And now let's screw it in. Or I think, yeah, like this, simple. Yeah, it's cruising. It's cruising quite well, so I think it's going to be like that. Oh, there's the feet, yeah. And then we put this thing here, and that's, I think, and that's that. And voila, here we have our vertical standing PlayStation 5 Pro. I mean, it's just PlayStation 5 Plus or something. It shouldn't be named professional just because it just upgraded, but it's not the 6th, I guess. Yeah, thank you guys for being today with me. So, if you're not celebrating Christmas, just relax, be together with your loved ones. Just if you're celebrating Christmas, happy upcoming New Year. So don't forget your resolutions. My resolution was, to do this, what I do, to do what I love, to unbox things, to experience new experiences, and so on. So I wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to press like, comment, and subscribe.